Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I'm proudly broadcasting to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's real estate market update, we are covering the one, the only Bowling Green, Ohio. Let's take a look. So in the month of May, we're seeing a promising sign if you are a buyer in Bowling Green. And that promising sign is that we're seeing new listings, folks. We have seen an increase by almost 76% year over year from same time last year. This is also causing pending sales to increase by almost 200% and closed sales to increase by 103%. Days on market still are declining as median and average sale prices have continued to go up. Even though we're seeing new listings coming up, folks, we are still not seeing the amount of inventory that we need in order to sustain our market. In order to be at equilibrium, we should be sitting between 4 to 6 months of inventory in Bowling Green, and currently we only have 1.7 months. So even though this is a promising sign, the new listings coming up, it's still not enough to suffice the demand that's currently in the market. And what this is going to continue to do is we will continue to see the median and average sale prices in this market rise as this number stays below 4 months of inventory. Here's a 12-month rolling average for Bowling Green, Ohio. And as we can see, post-pandemic is the low right here in about 2012. And then we have done hardly anything but go well. Now, for those of you that are thinking, oh, well, I'm just going to ride this out and wait for prices to go down. If we look back in this map all the way to 2013, prices really haven't gone down. They have continued to go up year over year. What you're going to likely do to yourself is make it so that housing is no longer affordable for you, because what will likely happen is interest rates will go up versus housing will go down. So as housing continues to maintain or go up, which is my prediction, and interest rates go up, you will eventually not be able to afford the same amount of house as you could the day before. So if you're a buyer, try to make a move now. And if you're a seller and if you've been thinking about making a move, give us a call today. We would love to talk to you about how we can help you maximize your investment. There's a lot of people right now in this market that are bragging about how quickly they sold a house. Oh my gosh, they sold it in less than 24 hours. That's not good. Honestly, less than 24 hours is not enough time for a house to be on the market to maximize its return. So if someone out there is bragging that they have sold a house in less than 24 hours, they have done nobody any service. The market has done that. And what that likely means is they underpriced it for today's market. Once you sell a house, there's no real going back, folks. So if you've left meat on the table, then that's something that you chose to do. At the Trempevsky Group, we don't believe in that. We believe in trying to maximize your return, and that's why we will work with you in creating a strategy that makes the most amount of sense for you and your family. Give us a call today, and we'd love to explain to you how we've gotten the absolute most for our sellers in the least amount of time possible. Outside of that, I hope you have found this report to be helpful. This has been Jim T. with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green. If you like the content of this video, please make sure to like our page and subscribe to our channel. That way you do not miss any future installments of our real estate market update. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to serving you soon. Have a great day.